Hello and welcome back to Fatima Teaches Arabic. Today we're learning a new letter from the Arabic alphabet, the letter Fa. Let's explore the sound of Fa. Fa, Fa. Repeat after me. Fa, Fa. Now let's say the sound of Fa with short vowels. Fa, Fa, Fa. Fu, Fu, Fu. Fi, Fi, Fi. Good. Now the long vowels. Fa, 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 Fu, 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 Fi, Di, Fi. And double vowels. Fen, 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 Fun, 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 Fin, Fin, Fin. Good. Here are some words that contain the letter Fa. Farisun, Farisun. Fa, ri, sun. Farisun. فراشة 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 فلفل 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 فلفل. Excellent. Let's review. Don't forget to repeat after me. Fa, fa, fu, fu, fi, fi, fa, fa, fu, fu, fi, fi, fen, fen, fun, fun, fin, fin. That's all for today. See you in the next lesson. مع السلامة.